a lovely day. The sun is shining. The roof is down. It's December. And Eloise is back from university. And she's come out. I've got my co-pilot back again. We are gonna burn some rubber.
Hello.
Let's start again. Yeah, we're selfieing in the Spitfire, so we'll hit it again. Let's go see Gran and Grandpa. We're always shopping.
Yeah. Okay, so last time I ordered my iPad on the Sunday and it came on the Tuesday.
I don't care, we're in a Spitfire.
So I know, but I'm telling you.
Oh.
So my phone should probably arrive Tuesday because it's weekend. So dispatch Monday.
She's forgot how exciting it is to be in a Spitfire with the roof down in the sunny weather. See, she's talking about phones, iPads and stuff. Oh, there's the postie. We should ask the postie if there's a post for us. Oh, hang on.
Why would there be interest?
Oh, no. Morning.
Do you know that postie?
Yeah, she fancies me. She does. She does. I know the postie.
Do you know the postie?
I know all the posties.
Yeah, it's got my massive noggin in the way though.
What?
She's got my massive nose in the way.
Oh yeah, you look massive in there. Well, maybe you should do it just so it's just me. A little while, and then we'll move it over to you.
I'm getting it. There we go. Now we've got both of us, and it's fine.
It's both of us, but it's none of the Spitfire.
What's it? Go use your imagination.
Use our imagination. Well, I suppose we've got some sound, haven't we?
Yeah, vroom, vroom.
Now we've got some sound.
Woo!
Yeah, woo! That was what we like. But look, where's the sun? The sun is in the wrong place now. I'm all in shadow. It's a rubbish Spitfire video. Driving along, singing as time goes by, singing my song, watching the world go by. It's like being in Woodstock. Oh, I'm happy you're back. Look, I've got my co-pilot, we can go for a drive again. How nice is that?
Very nice.
We're coming up to the lighthouse. So you haven't seen any of this for 3 months, because you've been away, haven't you? Where you been?
University.
Oh yeah, which university?
Loughborough.
Oh, Loughborough. Why did you choose Loughborough?
It's a nice gym.
I thought it's just James A. Castle.
That is the actual reason, yes.
Oh yeah. And you happy?
No, well, no, that's why I went to look at it, and then it had a very nice gym and a very good marketing course. So that was the.
But there's no Spitfires there, is there?
There's some cars like this. So I've seen some. No.
Probably
So
MG, so.
Maybe.
Yeah, well, here we are. Back for a few days. Beautiful day, isn't it? Scope marshes, the great outdoors!
country lanes.
Yeah.